Hey there, this is Heather with A New Day Crochet, here to show you how to half double crochet in the back loops only. So when you're normally crocheting, half double crochet, you will be crocheting into both V's on the top here. But I'm going to show you how to double crochet in the back loop only because this does create a little bit different of an effect. So I started this chainless foundation of half double crochets. If you'd like the tutorial on that, I will link it below. Otherwise, we're going to get started. I am going to chain 2 and turn my project. So normally you would just half double crochet into the top V here, but when you're working with the back loops, you're working with the loop that is further away from your hook. So this would be the front loop up here, and this would be the back loop. So you're going to half double crochet into the back loop only and pull through all 3. And what this does, I'm going to just quickly do this. What this does is it actually gives you this really cool texture, and you can start to see it here. When you crochet in the back loops, you kind of get this like braided looking texture. So I'm going to continue doing yarn over, crochet in the back loop. My yarn is getting caught over here. Okay. And then if you keep doing that, it will create this really cool effect that almost looks knit. It just creates some texture, adds a little bit of bounce to your project. I like to use this just adding texture to hats and blankets. I even make entire hats using back loops only. So you can see after a while what that does to the stitches. So let me just grab this here and I'll show you this hat using the half double crochet back loop only all the way through. You see like how the V's really stand out, and it's great because you can make a little cuff and it's on both sides. So that's pretty much it. If you can half double crochet, you can half double crochet into the back loop just to give your project a little bit more texture, just make it a little bit more fun. I like adding texture by using basic loops all the time. So my yarn keeps getting caught. Anyways, that's the end of the row. If you found this helpful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for even more simple beginner crochet tutorials. Thanks so much. See you next time.